Hi, welcome back to Camõesian Healthy Cooking Show. I'm Khadija from 6B.
I'm Chef Alicia from 5E.
Chef Alicia, what are we going to be making today?
Today we're going to be making cheese and tomato sandwich crackers.
It sounds so delicious. But is it really healthy?
It's healthy because see, that's why I wanted to make this, because there's tomatoes and it's healthy, and maybe some people doesn't like healthy, but eating healthy food, so cheese and tomatoes together, maybe they'll like it.
It already looks so good. But can we start then?
Yeah, sure. But first of all, let me introduce the ingredients. So first we need Ritz. It's without the cheese one. Then we need cheese, but we're using vegetarian cheese. And you also need some tomatoes.
But then it looks like you have already cut the cheese and the tomatoes, so we don't need to cut them.
Yes. So now we just will take out some Ritz.
The Ritz looks so good. I can't wait to eat them. But did you know that there's 300 types of tomatoes?
And also, did you know that the cheese comes from cow?
No, I did not.
Oh. So now we're going to take the plate and take this. This is another plate. You need two plates. One is to put all the ingredients, which are cut, and this one is just a clean plate to put your final final food.
Can I help?
Yeah, sure. So you can help me place them.
Okay.
We're going to make a few because we're going to invite some friends here. Okay, so I think it's enough. And then we'll add some cheese. I think the cheese smells so good. So first we put the cheese, around 2 or 3 slices. These are cut it into small slices.
I'll just move this so that they can see.
Yes. Now we're going to add a tomato. I think this is bigger than the Ritz biscuit. And if you want some more cheese on top, so you have more flavor of the cheese, then just add a slice. Maybe we can add also. Maybe you can help me make some more.
But then you put the cheese cracker on top, right?
Yes, back on top.
Okay.
So this is our one sandwich cracker.
But it looks so easy.
Maybe you can say, but for the cutting, it's going to be a bit hard.
But then is it when do you eat it?
Maybe just for snacks. When you're feeling hungry, you can just quickly cut the cheese and tomato and then make it by yourself.
Have you ever eaten this before?
Yes, I've tried to make it at home. It tastes so delicious.
I have also made another one.
It just looks like a hamburger.
Yeah. These are our tasters. This is...
I'm Karina from 5C.
Mavis from 4C.
And I'm Rashida, 4E.
So we just made a Ritz cheese and tomato sandwich. So maybe you guys can try it.
Wow.
It looks nice. Thank you.
Thank you. Excuse me, I'm left alone. I'm isolated. Thank you. Oh my God.
Now we eat it.
Let us try. Oopsies. It's a bit because
juicy.
Yes. How does it taste?
Juicy.
because of the tomatoes.
I know.
I like the cheese. Let's go yummy.
I haven't even gotten to eat the cheese because there's so much.
The tomatoes are juicy.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Can you give us a bit, a few
Feedbacks.
Right.
You can find a way to stick the things together.
Ouch.
Yeah.
It just keeps coming off.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Bye.